Good morning, Jennifer. Many people visit their loved ones at places like Van Dyne here regularly. We spoke with one man who says he's now going through withdrawal symptoms because he can no longer come here and hold his mom's hand 5 days a week. But he's working with the nursing home and utilizing other initiatives like the Ombudsman program at Arise Syracuse to stay connected on another level.
I have spent with my mother 3 times already.
Walter Stein made the heart-wrenching decision to find a place for his mother here at Van Dyne Nursing Home 17 years ago.
I just felt like I couldn't leave her alone anymore.
Since then, he visits 5 days a week, stopping by after work and spending time with 97-year-old Rita on the weekends. But because of COVID-19, he and all other visitors are not allowed in nursing homes. Van Dyne bought tablets for the residents to be able to talk with their families over Skype or Zoom. Walter and his mom have connected virtually since then.
Oh, I think it's been very good. I get to see her face. I get to talk to her. Last Friday, I had Skype with her, and the activity person realized that my mother was having a hard time hearing me. He said he went out, got a set of headphones for my mom.
While families can't enter the building, those who work for the Ombudsman program at Arise aren't allowed in either. They serve as volunteers, coming into assisted living facilities weekly, advocating for people like Rita. The Ombudsman usually work one-on-one with their clients, but now they're working with their families over the phone and email.
That they're worried that maybe certain things that they were making sure were happening for their resident, their loved one, may not be happening now. And we've tried to address some of those issues.
But Parker and his team are still providing the services they always have, checking in with nursing homes in our region. All of them, he says, following social distancing rules and protecting their residents, all while making sure they stay in touch with their loved ones.
This is a new thing that staff weren't really doing before, that they're giving an opportunity for families to communicate in a way that they couldn't do even before.
I know it's very hard not to be able to see them and be able to talk with them and hold their hand and stuff like that. But I also have to keep in mind, too, that the nursing homes are doing the best they can right now to safeguard their health and their welfare. And I had to accept that as a part of what's going on in the world right now.
Now, it's a federal law for facilities like Van Dyne here to have ombudsmen locally. Arise serves people in Onondaga, Oswego, Cayuga, and Cortland counties. And if you have a family member that's in an assisted living facility, you have any questions about how they're handling this pandemic right now, you can call Arise at 315-671-5108. Live in Syracuse, Julia LeBlanc, News Channel 9.